So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a thumbnail for live stream. First you're gonna open the Chrome, go to dafonts.com and select horror font, and you're gonna select stranger back in the night and download it. After downloading, go to the set archivers. So go to the download section and it will be looking like this. So extract it, click on downloads, device memory, and select font and extract here. And next let us jump into PSCC. Click on photo library, and I'll be providing you the Google Drive link which all the items will be available. Total 783 items. So let us import this background and let us import another character PNG. So I'll be importing hip hop PNG which I want to use in my thumbnail. So I'll be using only till the knees. So I don't want to keep full body in my thumbnail. So after that you're gonna click on layer selection and click on duplicate layer and select the bottom layer, and next click on end option, click on fill and stroke and select stroke type and select the pink, dark pink color. Click on OK and go to effects option, basics option and glow option. I'll be choosing red color, so you can choose your desired color, and I will be decreasing the blur percentage. So kept in 17, and again click on effects, click on stylize and click on glass, and I'll be increasing it to 36 percentage. You can also increase it to your desired percentage. And next I will be taking an empty layer and I'll moving it to the bottom of my character PNG and select fill and stroke and select fill type, and I will be choosing red color. Will be choosing a bit darker red and go to the layer option and go to blend mode and click on darken. If darken is so light, click on multiply and reduce the opacity to 90%. And again click on add option, photo layer, photo library, and I'll be adding this brush particle which will be given in the description. As I said you, I gave whole folder link. Download all assets which will be useful in future. So I've also added another particle, so I'll be placing in over there and I'll be confirming it, and again click on photo layer, photo library, and I'll be selecting light. and place it on the bottom of the character so that the character won't be overlapped. And I will be again adding this purple light so that our thumbnail will be looking like triple tritone thumbnail. Then I'll go to photo library and I will be adding another brush to it. Yes, I'll be adding this one and clicking on OK, going to the blend mode and selecting screen and click on end option and select transform button so you can transform it on desired place and size. So I'll be transforming on the character head and I'll be clicking on OK and I'll bring it to the bottom of the character and I'll be again clicking on photo layer, photo library, and I'll be adding a thunderstorm effect so that our thumbnail will be more professional. And I will be selecting polygon selection tool and I'll be zooming the image right now. And I'll be selecting where I don't want this thunderstorm part, so roughly cut it where you don't want and click on the pencil and board option. You can see here, right? So click on that option and select clear option so that the part which you don't want will be cleared. And next let us save this and let us jump into Pixel Lab. So go to the last option and click on select from gallery and select the image which we have imported from PSCC and add the text. So I'll be writing make this and you can write your name and I'm live. So now bring it to the center and select the font which we have downloaded previously from DaFonts. So this is the font, right? And increase the right padding. If you want, you can also increase the left padding too. And increase the size of the image and bring it to the center and again increase the size of the image. And this font is so small, that's why I'm increasing the spacing to see the alphabets legible. Okay, this is enough and I'll be adding the single tone stroke, that is pink one. So I'll be adding this particular color stroke and next I'll be clicking on copy layer, edit layer, and I'll be writing on Android and I'll be selecting the regular font. And next thing you're gonna do is click on shapes option and select a square shape. So what I'm doing now is I'll be decreasing the width and I'll be increasing the height. make this as thin as possible. So I'll be increasing the length again. So I'll be saving this image and going to PSCC, and you're gonna duplicate these layers and select stroke type and click on OK. Go to effects option, basics, click on glow option, and I'll be using pink color right now. So I'll be using darker version of pink right now, and click on effects, stylize glass effect, and I think let us keep it so minimum so it look pretty quite decent. Actually we are making the flame type stroke in our thumbnail, which I will be showing you detailed. So afterwards click on done, save it in a PNG format, and let us again dive into Pixel Lab. So again let us import this thumbnail and let us click on gallery, and I'll be selecting this which we have made from PSCC and place it on top and place it on top and click on duplicate layer and place it on bottom. Click on duplicate layer and place it on left side, and again click on duplicate layer, place it on right side. So this is how you make the thumbnail. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Meet you in the other video. Until then, bye bye.